And okay, marketing tip that I learned from one of my mentors is like, bro, use your birthday as marketing material. Like, because like people want a reason to buy.
Yeah.
Bro, use your fucking birthday.
My birthday's in April.
Right. And so, okay, we may get a 6-hour window in April.
You know what I'm saying?
But and so DM taught me that. So DM like releases books on his birthday. Like he like does different things to like actually use the birthday for something.
Yeah.
To where that we didn't
people
get the
take
course
care
out.
of you.
Right? People take care of you.
Take care of you on your birthday.
So, yeah.
But maybe I could take care of the people on my birthday. Maybe give them like a discount or something.
Maybe. I don't know. Because so the only way Mike gets a discount is he has to talk to me and like
I really don't fuck with his birthday, so
right. I mean, so like he's got to talk to his partner.
Hey, we might raise the price on my birthday. You know what I mean? How much you value me? You know,
right?
Oh, you love me, bro? You love me? Hey, show me how much you love me, man. Buy a course on my birthday.
And okay, quick tip. The reason I said that, whenever I'm negotiating with somebody, I'm never the bad guy. Someone else is always the bad guy.
Yeah.
So I mean, Mike may want to keep the prices lower, but I'll be the bad guy. Mike wants it. I don't.
So I really don't care about the course. No, man, but we worked on it for a while. We've had it locked up for a while. We did this course,
damn near a year ago,
man. But we just been working and thinking about when would be the best time to be able to offer it to people, and especially those looking to get their foot into the door when it comes to wholesaling and seeing how we can best bring that type of value to people. So we're excited to be able to get that going. Like I said, it's been in our tool belt for a while. I think it'll
be affordable, and I mean, I think it'll answer most people's. It'll answer every question.
Yeah.
And then, so what I want to do is like I say we do like a private Facebook group with it, and then that way they can like ask like their serious questions in there.
Mm-hmm.
And because that'll make it so much easier.
And also let us know what, different type of feedback. What is it you like to see more of? What is it? What other questions did it bring on to you? Just little things like that, ways to implement it and all that good stuff. So we'll go through it, take a double look at it, make sure that we're fond of it.
But keep your eyes out. I only want it open for a week.
Shit.
Only for a week. We'll keep it open for a week. Then we're gonna close it down, and then we'll open it up again.
Open it up maybe next year. Who knows, bro?
Who knows?
Who knows?
This is marketing, kids.
You only got a week to take advantage.
You only got a week to take advantage of it for National Stratton Day. Once National Stratton Week is over, it's over for you. You don't get access to the discounted course.
Jeez.
Then you got to pay a premium.
And that's if they weren't listening to the podcast.
Yeah.
If they're listening to the podcast, it might benefit them.
Oh, okay. Let's throw in a promo. I'll figure that out on Stripe. All right. What do we use? Use promo code FreeAgentREI when you go to buy it for an even bigger discount.
Jeez.
Value.
Hey, value. And that's at minute what? We've been on here for a while.
Right. So you have to listen to the whole bitch. So use promo code FREEREI.
Yes.
FREEREI.
So free REI.
For a special discount. And you only get it if you stay till the very end.
That's awesome.
That's rewarding people right there.
That's rewarding people.
That's rewarding
for listening to some bullshit sometimes.
That's rewarding
to get the promo, baby.
To get the promo, baby. Y'all deserve it. Y'all deserve it. All right. And then please, if you're still here, if you're watching us on YouTube, subscribe, share, go give us a 5-star review on all the podcast apps.
Mm-hmm. We don't ask for much, man. Just share our shit, like our shit, and engage with our shit. That's all we ask you to do. We don't ask for much.
I don't ask for much. Reach out to us. And if you do I just say you shoot questions. If you're reaching out to me, this is how it makes my life easier. Don't ask, can I ask you a question? Shoot me your questions, and I'll respond to you with a voice memo accordingly.
Yes.
Because that makes it easier. Like, hey, can I ask you a question? Like, bro, just ask the question.
Just ask a question, baby. I'm here.
Like, there is no pick your brain, but like, I promise you, I will get back to you with a voice memo. And my number one thing is, like, if I don't get back to you, I get so many DMs.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, to send me another DM, because it probably just fell, right? Because like it,
true.
If like it all falls down,
that's true.
And so like it'll look like my DM box is cleared, but then like I get DMs like, oh shit, I never responded to this. I'm so sorry, bro. Like sometimes it just falls.
Okay, well, let's wrap this up, man. I got
all right.
I got some moving to do.
Peace.
See you guys next week.